welcome to Ask the True Team. My name is Tara and I'm the lead skin therapist here at True Botanicals. And the question that I'm going to answer for you today is, what is the right way for me to apply my facial oil? So there's a lot of conflicting information in our industry around proper application, technique, and the whys around it. And it makes what should be a seemingly simple and pleasant experience overly complicated and overwhelming. And the bottom line is that your ideal application should result in an even dispersion of product for both the face and the neck, and your method of application should be gentle and easy on the skin. So this is my preferred method of application. It is what has given me the most success. Step 1, on a thoroughly cleansed skin, and I've already cleansed my face with Renew Nourishing Cleanser. Spray a generous amount of either your Renew or Calm Nutrient Mist on the skin. And this is going to give antioxidants, anti-inflammatories, and most importantly, humectants to the skin and really dampen the skin, which will help to enhance the performance and penetration of your Pure Radiance oil. It also provides just a lovely sensory experience to the process, and we are all about the experience and the ritual here at True Botanicals. Step 2 is application of your Pure Radiance oil. Now you're going to tailor your drops according to the time of day that you apply your face oil, but our general recommendation is 5 to 7 drops for both the face and the neck. That's going to roughly equate to 1 drop per quadrant of face. Now for day, you may prefer a lighter wear, and considering the other complexion products that you are wearing, such as sunscreen and foundation. So you might choose to use a few less drops. For nighttime, you can use up to 10 and really make it a treatment experience. Ultimately, you're going to tailor and adjust the amount of drops that you're applying to the skin based off of your desired level of application, your level of dryness, and your face shape. So I'm going to reach for my Renew Pure Radiance oil, and I'm going to go by our 5 to 7 drop application. And then I'm going to apply product evenly on all areas of the face, including my neck, and working from the center of the face out with feather-like strokes, up the bridge of the nose, up the forehead, massage that third eye, work towards the outer perimeter of the face, drain down the neck, and repeat as needed. You can add a firmer pressure for more dry, devitalized skin that is underactive in oil activity, and maybe a lighter pressure for an oily skin, reactive skin. Now for my closing application, and this is really the esthetician in me, I like to do gentle pressure on areas of the face, and then light acupressure on the orbital eye area. Again, this makes the experience very massage-like and ritualistic. For the neck, I start at the clavicle, which is this bone right here, and do a light roll pack technique up to the jaw and chin. Ultimately, guys, you just want to get the product on the skin. Your skin is a dynamic sensory organ and will receive and utilize these beautiful nutritive ingredients as intended. Don't overcomplicate the process. I hope this answered and clarified any questions and confusion you may have around application of facial oil, and stay tuned for more tips and tricks and skincare advice from your team at True Botanicals. Bye.